Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello children, welcome to English class. I hope you are all fine at home. Children, what do you see here? Yes, correct. Dolphins. Dolphins live in the ocean. Today, we are going to learn about dolphins. Dolphins are magical creatures. What is magical creature means, children? Magical means beautiful and wonderful things. Creature means all living things such as plants, animals, birds, human beings, etc. They live in deep dark sea, but they are not a fish. This is because fish can breathe underwater, but dolphins cannot. Dolphins cannot breathe inside the water. Do you know? To breathe air, they have to come up to the surface of water. What do you mean by surface, children? Surface means top of something. So, here dolphins come up to the top to breathe air. Dolphins breathe through blowhole on top of their head. What is blowhole? It is a hole which is on top of dolphin's head. We breathe through our lungs. Fish breathe through gills and dolphins breathe through blowhole. This is Delphina. She is grey in color, but dolphins can also be white, black or pink. Dolphins have very smooth, shiny skin and fins. What are fins, children? Fins are body parts that helps fish to swim in water. Dolphins have hundreds of sharp teeth, but they don't use their teeth to chew their food. They use them only to catch their food. Children, we use our teeth to chew our food, but dolphins use their teeth to catch their food. Dolphins have ears too, and they can see at night like dogs and cats. Do you know how dolphins talk to each other? They use clicks, squeals, and whistles. What are squeals? Squeals are long, sharp sounds. Sometimes they fall asleep with one eye open. Dolphins are very playful. They jump high over the waves in the sea. They follow boats in the sea. They even chase each other. Have you seen how a dolphin looks like? It is always smiling. Yes, dolphins are playful creatures. They are always smiling. We have finished reading the lesson. Now we will read some word buddy. Magical. Magical means beautiful and wonderful. Creatures, living things. Surface, the top of something. Blowhole means a hole on the top of dolphin's head. Fins, body parts that help fish swim in water. Next, squeals, long sharp sounds. Now we will check how far we understood the lesson. Number 1, where do dolphins live? Dolphins live in deep dark sea. Number 2, what color is Delphina? Black, white, grey or pink? Do you remember? Yes, gray color. Do dolphins have teeth? Yes, they have hundreds of sharp teeth. Children, we will see some fun facts about dolphins. Dolphins are most intelligent, friendly, and extremely playful animals. They are also easy to train. Most dolphins have a long lifespan. Some may have lived for more than 100 years. Finally, we will have a recap of our lesson. Dolphins are magical creatures. They live in deep, dark sea. Dolphins breathe through blowhole. Delphina is gray in color. Dolphins are also found in white, black, or pink colors. Dolphins have very smooth, shiny skin and fins. Dolphins have hundreds of sharp teeth. They use them only to catch food. Dolphins have ears and they can even see at night. They fall asleep with one eye open. They use clicks, squeals, and whistles to communicate. Dolphins are very playful and are always smiling. Children, we have come to the end of the session. I have some activities for you. Number 1, hard words. Children, read these words and practice in your notebook. Magical. M-A-G-I-C-A-L. Magical. I will repeat. M-A-G-I-C-A-L. Magical. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. I will repeat. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Surface. S-U-R-F-A-C-E. Surface. I'll repeat. S-U-R-F-A-C-E. Surface. Blowhole. B-L-O-W-H-O-L-E. Blowhole. I will repeat. B-L-O-W-H-O-L-E. Blowhole. Delphina. D-E-L-P-H-I-N-A. Delphina. I'll repeat. D-E-L-P-H-I-N-A. Delphina. Sharp teeth. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Sharp teeth. I will repeat. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Smooth. S-M-O-O-T-H. Smooth. I will repeat. S-M-O-O-T-H. Smooth. Squeals. S-Q-U-E-A-L-S. I will repeat. S-Q-U-E-A-L-S. Squeals. Clicks. C-L-I-C-K-S. Clicks. C-L-I-C-K-S. Next is whistle. W-H-I-S-T-L-E-S. Whistles. W-H-I-S-T-L-E-S. Whistles. Second activity is crossword puzzle. Here, some animal pictures are given for you. You need to find their names in the grid and circle them. See you in the next video. Thank you.